Well, this is a very long overdue part 2 of the video for building the roof, because obviously much more progress has been made since the part 1. So I'm gonna go through explaining all what we did here. So in the part 1 we built the frame that you see here, as well as the upper frame, and we see the hinge in here, so the whole roof can now lift up. And I'm going to show you the way it's done, and we'll talk about how we made the bed and how we made the fabric for the tent. So first of all, let me get in. So the roof is held by 2 hinges here, and we have gas truss assist that I just made to help raise the roof, because with the additional weight of the roof rack, the gas truss had quite a difficult time to lift the roof, especially in the beginning. So I'm going to try to do that with one hand. So you see how the gas struts help loading the, opening the roof for the initial part. So then I can just push on the roof here. So the elastic here is very helpful to keep all the fabric inside when you close the roof. So it's a small trick, like the elastic is going all the way over here. And so here's the inside. So we have the bed up here, and the bed is made of a wooden platform that is supported by some aluminium struts. Like there's an aluminium frame and some wood. It's a 1/2 inch plywood. I've drilled many holes in the plywood before covering it with speaker fabric, to help like ventilation under the mattress. So the mattress is here. It's a 3-inch memory foam, and it's not gonna rot because of moisture or etc., because it's well ventilated under. So we can leave the bed and enjoy the whole space here. As you can see, the bed is resting on an aluminium angle that is attached to the lower frame, and we have separate gas struts attached here to the bed that will allow lifting the roof and putting it down very easily. So we can use the space, and most importantly, we can keep the bed done, or at least like just have to pull the pillows here, put the pillows in the middle, because when you close the roof, the fabric will come over here, so it does not get pinched in the frame outside. And this is why we like keep the bedding kind of tucked in like that. We have small pockets here to put some items, very useful. USB plugs here, some light over here. I need to activate my main breaker. So we have lights here, reading lights, one of each side. Other one is here. and we have 3 windows that we can open. So windows are made of, so this is mosquito mesh, but we can also replace the mosquito mesh itself is attached by some velcros, so we can simply remove the mesh, and for the colder nights we can use some clear transparent windows that we put in place of the mesh, and this is very convenient. When the roof is closed, the gas strut is completely horizontal, so of course when you want to start to open the roof, the gas strut has absolutely no effect in helping you. So that's why I built some helpers that you can see here. So it's simply a tube that is welded to a bracket and attached to the roof, and in that tube we have another gas strut that will push the roof for the initial and help you open the roof in the beginning. Inside the cabin you have to relocate the sun visors, and you can see the frame here that is not properly finished, but I'm going to repaint that. So the visors are attached to the original frame. It's on the windscreen frame, and you can see here the hinges for the bed, and I have enough head clearance to be comfortable in the cabin. I have relocated the alarm sensors in the frame, and still have some wires coming in because I'm going to install some lights outside. All the wiring is going inside the frame, and so you need to fish all the wires in there. Okay, so this is very convenient because you can use that to put all kind of accessories. The dome light needs to be relocated as well, so I made a wooden bracket that is attached to the bed. Non, ça va, merci. Ouais, ouais.